Hey everybody, just another teaser video. This is the Simpsons Lego house set number 71006 and came with 3 instruction manuals as it is such a big set, and here it is, the completed house. We've got the garage, loads of tools and accessories in there, Homer in his car, we have got a full making video which will be posted at some time very soon, so do be sure to subscribe, and we'll just go through the different stages of the making of this house. Don't know off the top of my head how many pieces went into this one, but it was a really large set, taking several hours to make this, a lot longer than the Halo ones that we've done in the past. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Do be sure to hit the like button. Any comments are always welcome below, and hope you will like to subscribe to the channel. We do post a lot of collecting and looking at toys videos.